Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at a few top analyst small cap stocks. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here and TGI Friday. Today we're taking a look at three strong buy small cap stocks that all have recent ratings from some top ranked analysts. Now, these small cap stocks do have market caps under $2 billion. And while these stocks can have great growth potential, they also can be a bit more volatile. So just make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. We found today's stocks under the TipRanks Top Analyst Stock page. Found right under the Ideas tab, this will show us stocks that have recent ratings from five-star analysts. We can look for a strong buy or strong sell, select our market cap here, as well as the sector. As usual today, we're going to take a look at these companies, what it is that they do, and what those Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. Just before we get into that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's get right into our three strong buy small cap stocks. First up, we're taking a look at Brookfield Business Partners. They trade under the ticker BBU, currently priced just above $20 per share. In the past year, the stock has climbed 20%, but has dropped about 5.5% in the last 6 months, regaining 8% in the last three. They do score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with very positive crowd wisdom and increased insider transactions. Brookfield Business Partners specializes in business solutions and industrial operations. They're focused on owning and operating high quality providers of essential products and services. Their operations are diversified across the industrial, infrastructure services, and business services sector. They have the flexibility to invest across multiple industries and through many forms, and they acquire high quality businesses applying their global investing and operational expertise to create value. They're scheduled to share their Q2 earnings report in about a week's time on August 2nd, and this does follow mixed results from their first quarter. For their second quarter, analysts are anticipating a loss per share of 2 cents, which would be 19 cents narrower than last year's. For their Q1, they reported earnings per share of 23 cents, well exceeding the expectations. However, revenue of about $12 billion did fall a few billion short. A few weeks ago, we did have a five-star analyst from BMO Capital that reiterated their buy rating on the stock. They said they believe there's potential for the company's stock to appreciate significantly in the next 2 to 3 years, fueled by the company's ability to navigate and benefit from improving market conditions. Despite the lack of predictability in asset sale timings, the risk reward balance is favorable, and they identify the stock as an attractive pick for investors interested in small cap, value oriented investments. And just 2 days ago, we did have a five-star analyst from Scotiabank increase their price target. They said they continue to see solid opportunities across the non-bank financial space. Now, Brookfield Business Partners does just have four current analyst ratings, but they do come in with unanimous buys. And that strong buy rating comes with an average price target of $31, which would imply an upside potential of over 51% from current prices. Looking at those ratings down below, all coming from five-star analysts, ranging from an upside of about 47% to 57%. For our second stock today, we're taking a look at Imax. Trading under the ticker IMAX, they're priced right at $20 per share. Overall, in the past year, they're up about 6% after hitting a low here back in February. In the last 3 months, the stock has climbed 17%. They also score a 10 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with increased hedge fund activity and very positive crowd wisdom. IMAX, of course, is an entertainment technology company with a focus on motion pictures. With 55 years of experience and over 50 million IMAX tickets sold each year, they're the #1 premium movie experience in the world. They have a proprietary system of high resolution cameras, film formats, film projectors, and theaters known for their very large screens and immersive experiences. IMAX just reported their Q2 earnings yesterday on the 25th, and they came out with both an earnings and revenue beat. For their Q2, they reported earnings per share of 18 cents, beating expectations by 13 cents per share. And revenue came in at $89 million, which exceeded expectations by nearly $14.5 million. IMAX benefited from higher signings for its upgraded movie theater systems and installations. Following this solid earnings report, we've had a handful of analysts weighing in, including one five-star analyst from Macquarie who increased their price target. He noted that the company reported a 50% EBITDA beat in the second quarter and that management remains optimistic around an accelerating film slate and installation activity. They say that IMAX remains one of their top small cap leisure picks, given the embedded growth from its backlog, improving margins and free cash flow, and exposure to a strong blockbuster pipeline. The Imax stock has 7 current analyst ratings and does come in as a unanimous strong buy. The average price target comes in at $24, which would imply an upside potential of 20% from current prices. Looking at our list of ratings down below, we can see several analysts increasing their price targets. Our low end price target of $22 would be an upside of 10%, while our high end price target of $30 implies an upside of 50%. If you've made it to our third stock today, this is a reminder to make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Our third strong buy small cap stock is Ribbon Communications. They trade under the ticker RBBN, priced at just $3.24. This is our smallest cap of the day at $903 million. Over the past year, they're down 1% and have climbed 2.3% in the last 3 months. They score a 9 out of 10 on the TipRanks Smart Score with increased hedge fund activity and positive technicals. Ribbon Communications delivers communication services, IP, and optical networking solutions. They deliver these to service providers, enterprises, and critical infrastructure sectors globally, helping them modernize their networks for improved competitive positioning and business outcomes in today's smart, always on, and data hungry world. Their innovative end to end solutions portfolio delivers unparalleled scale, performance, and agility, including core to edge software centric solutions, cloud native offers, leading edge security, and analytics tools. They just shared their Q2 earnings report a couple of days ago, and we had a bit of mixed results. Earnings were in line with expectations, while revenue fell slightly short. For their Q2, they reported earnings per share of 5 cents, which was in line with those expectations, while revenue for the quarter came in at 193 million, which was about 12 million short and declined slightly year over year. But overall, the net income increased 21% and adjusted EBITDA was up 65% for the first half of the year. One 5-star analyst with a buy rating on the stock comes from Rosenblatt Securities. They said the company's investment thesis has significantly improved, noting that the outlook for the high margin edge and cloud segment has gotten better, and the company is well positioned for the spending shifts in its IP optical segment with a balance sheet that is meaningfully better since last month. And with 5 current analyst ratings, we have yet another unanimous strong buy. Analysts' average price target comes in at $5.80, which would imply an upside potential of 79% from current prices. And down below, we have all 5-star analysts weighing in. Our low end price target is from Rosenblatt Securities at $5 for an upside of 54%, while our high end price target comes from B. Riley Financial at $6.50, implying an upside of over 100%. So that is a quick look at 3 strong buy small cap stocks. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below and which one catches your eye the most. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock, just showing you what those analysts are looking at. And especially with small cap stocks, make sure you're doing your own research and due diligence and sticking to your own investment plan. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you back here next time.